Friendly neighborhood loan officer here, and I've got some exciting news for homeowners like you. Today I want to talk about something that's been affecting all of us lately, the real estate market. Have you ever wondered what your home is worth these days? Well, I've got some great news for you. According to recent reports, today's homeowners are sitting on significant equity, even as home price appreciation has slowed down a bit. Think about it. Over the past few years, the imbalance between homes for sale and the number of home buyers in the market has caused home prices to appreciate substantially. And while the market has moderated this year, that doesn't mean you've lost all the equity in your home. In fact, the latest Homeowner Equity Insights report from CoreLogic finds that the average homeowner's equity has grown to $34,300 this year alone. And if you've been in your home for even longer, chances are you have even more equity than you realize. This equity not only increases your overall net worth, but it also can help achieve other goals, like buying your next home. When you sell your current house, the equity you've built up comes back to you in the sale. And it may be just what you need to cover a large portion, if not all, of your down payment for your next home and closing fees. So if you've been holding off on selling, now may be a time to find out how much equity you have and how it can help fuel your next move. Homeownership is a long game. And if you're planning to make a move, the equity you've gained over time can make a big impact. To find out just how much equity you have in your current home and how you can use it to fuel your next purchase, connect with a local real estate professional where I can refer you one. Thanks for watching, and I hope this information was helpful. Have a fantastic day and week.